friends, today I'm gonna make a ninja star. So the required material is 2 A4 size papers and a scissor. First, gonna fold this. Do direct chest on. So we're gonna need these 2 green and black paper. So we're gonna keep this aside and do the same way to the another piece of paper. So we're gonna keep this in the cross like this. And fold the green one downside and the black one. So we're gonna fold that one first, and second, black one third, and the green one the So here we have a ninja star.